For those who don't know me yet, I'm Scott McKenzie, founder of home care agency Blueprint. And if you're coming back, welcome back. It's always good to have you here. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start a licensed non-medical home care agency in the state of Pennsylvania. I'll break it all down, the real costs, timelines, license steps, office requirements, and some golden nuggets most people never find online. And I'm going to do it in a way that's grounded, heart-centered, and clear, because I believe this is more than a business. This is a calling. Let's start with why Pennsylvania is such a powerful place to launch. Pennsylvania is home to over 3 million older adults, and that number is growing every single year. Families across the state are searching for trustworthy, compassionate home care. And if you've felt the pull to serve, to lead, and to step into a business that actually matters, this could be your aligned opportunity. Now, in Pennsylvania, non-medical agencies are called home care agencies or home care registries, and the license is issued by the Pennsylvania Department of Health. You cannot legally begin providing services or hiring caregivers until your license is fully approved. So here's exactly what's required. First, you'll need to fill out the full home care agency license application. This includes your notice of intent, your provider profile, your civil rights survey, your proposed agency name, and your detailed policies and procedures. Next, you'll need to submit a physical check or money order for the licensing fee. Pennsylvania does not accept online payments. And then you'll complete 3 types of background checks for yourself and for anyone involved in running or owning the business. These are the Pennsylvania State Police background check, the FBI fingerprint-based criminal history check, and the Pennsylvania Child Abuse History Clearance. Now let's talk numbers. The home care agency application fee is just $100. The FBI fingerprint background check is approximately $23.85 per person. The Pennsylvania State Police clearance is $22 per person, and the Child Abuse History clearance is $13 per person. So if it's just you starting out, your total estimated licensing cost will be around $155.85, not including any printing, mailing, or office setup expenses. Now let's talk timeline. The average time to get licensed in Pennsylvania is about 2 to 3 months, sometimes longer if your paperwork is incomplete or if you're waiting on clearances to come back. Here's how that breaks down. 1 to 2 weeks to complete all forms and background checks. 2 to 6 weeks for the state to receive, process, and review your application. And another 2 to 4 weeks to schedule and pass your on-site inspection. And also, yes, Pennsylvania does conduct a physical site survey of your agency. You must have an office ready for inspection, with locked storage for client files, your policies and procedures printed and accessible, and all required documents on hand. So let's talk about that office, because this is a key question I get all the time. Can you run your agency from home? The answer is yes. Technically, you can. But here's my truth. Having a professional business address, even a small executive suite, will elevate your credibility, make your survey easier, and energetically shift how you show up in your business. Most executive offices in Pennsylvania range from $300 to $600 per month, and it's worth every penny to create that clean, energetic container for your vision. Now, in terms of your team, Pennsylvania requires you to appoint a qualified administrator. This person must be at least 21 years old, pass all background checks, and be capable of overseeing the day-to-day operations of your agency. You'll also need policies in place for hiring caregivers, including reference checks, face-to-face interviews, competency evaluations, and proper onboarding with signed documents. Pennsylvania allows you to hire caregivers provisionally, while some clearances are pending, but you must document everything and ensure follow-through. This is where most new agencies make mistakes. After you submit your application, the Department of Health will schedule a site survey. That's when they come and physically inspect your space, review your documents, and ensure your agency is set up correctly. If everything's in place, your license will be granted shortly after. Once you're licensed, that's when the real fun begins. You'll start marketing your services, onboarding clients, interviewing caregivers, and building your brand in the community. You'll have the freedom to structure your time, build wealth, and truly help people, all while staying aligned with your higher purpose. Now, this is where a lot of people stall. They get licensed but don't know how to launch. That's exactly why I created Home Care Agency Blueprint, to walk with you step by step through licensing, setup, branding, marketing, hiring, and growth. Before I close, I want to give you a few golden nuggets that I've learned helping hundreds of people launch home care agencies across the country. including right here in Pennsylvania. Number 1, fill out every application form with extreme clarity. Make sure your documents are typed, easy to read, and well organized. The state is particular, and a messy packet will delay your timeline. Number 2, get your clearances early. Fingerprinting and abuse clearances can take time, especially during busy seasons. The sooner you get those started, the faster your whole process will move. Number 3, even if you're just starting out, act like a leader. Choose a business name that reflects your mission. Set up a clean digital presence. Own the energy of what you're building, even before it fully exists, because your clients aren't just hiring a service, they're choosing someone to trust. And that starts with how you show up. So if you're feeling the call to launch a home care agency in Pennsylvania and you want guidance, structure, and soul-led support, I'd love to invite you to book a free clarity call with me or my team. We'll walk through your goals, your vision, and your next steps. And if it's a fit, we can support you with the full setup, licensing, branding, and launch process. No pressure, just clarity and presence. Thank you for watching. Thank you for dreaming. I'm Scott McKenzie. I believe in you. And your future clients are waiting for the version of you that says yes. See ya on the next video.